Welcome back, craft campers. This is Donna and we have a challenge today. So these are Crystal Light and Walmart brand Crystal Light knockoff containers. Here I go again. I line up the bottom with my thumb and that glue. Let's move that out of the way. And then while I'm standing up. Okay, so here I'm going to put one on the top of these two. Now I'm going to stand up for this one because actually I'm also going to turn my gun up to high so I have a little more working room so that hopefully, well, I'm going to have to do it this way. Okay, so that wasn't too bad. So looking at it, if you're sitting down, if you line this up with your split, you should be good. But you want to look at it from the top so that you can make sure that on the first one that it's lined up. So here we go again. I'm gonna run lines here. It hasn't heated up, but it's definitely it's heated up more because it was much easier to squeeze, but it wasn't very long. So I'm gonna go ahead and stand it up, make sure I'm as good as I can be there. Get some little strings. All right, and that one was easy to line up, but you know, again, you'd want to make sure this was straight. And one more time for the top, doing it off towards the center there, and line it in the middle, line it at the top, give it a press. Let me see, we'll go ahead and do two more. Use that thumb to guide the bottom so that it's not, we'll put two more maybe. All right, so there we go. Now, this is great for your watercolor pens so that they stay level. I think I'm just gonna go with the water bottle caps. I think they'll be cuter. And they're the shorter ones and you take the rings off. So I think I need 6. So I got 6. Nope, I need 8. So I'm gonna flip it over. It's on the side. I'm gonna apply the bottle caps. I'm gonna apply glue to the rim. Put it here. Maybe put the glue here and put it here. But make feet for all 4 of these bottom ones. If you were standing it upright, you could definitely do it that way. There's already circles on the bottom for you to work with. I want them towards the end and towards the front so you can see them. I don't want so much glue it's gonna be seeping out that I can see it from the front. So let me go ahead and get these on. And you can drag it a little if your glue's off center or whatever. Just do the best you can. You could trace it for sure. You can see I'm running it right on top of there. So it's flat. And then I'm coming in and I push back just a little to get anything that might show from the front. Okay. Any strings off that you got? Okay, now we have feet on it. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and do here. Now with this, we're gonna have more of a challenge because we want, you know, if we remember that we have a 1/4 inch away from the edge all the time, that'd be great. You know, so go ahead and do one here. Put our next one on and line that up. Now, here's the tricky part. We've got to put one here, but we need glue here and glue here. So I'm gonna do glue, 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 and stick it on. And I have it on the high temp. You can see it steaming so that I have more working time. Okay, so again, push it, stand it up. They're already a little off from this side. That one's already set, so we'll just have to deal with it. Oh, we need some more. Now on this next level, I'm gonna put the right one on first, and then put the left one on. Hopefully, that will give me a little more correction, but you know, I needed to be more precise to get that line right. So let's go ahead and do this, and we'll do this. Let's see how that works. Okay.